If you're experiencing high ping issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to help improve your connection and gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are significantly lower than what you pay for, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games. Freeing up bandwidth can help reduce ping. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help reduce ping. Step 4. Change server regions. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region. Sometimes connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can help lower your ping. Look for options that allow you to select a different server. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphics settings can help improve frame rates and reduce lag, which may help with ping issues. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.